Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review two bags actually. I'm going to compare the Coach Rowan quilted bag and I'm going to do the regular size and mini size. So I'll show you guys the size differences and then like how big they are, what fits and all that good stuff. And just like the quality of the craftsmanship, all that. So yeah, let's get into this unbagging. Whoa. It's already unbagged. I forgot. So let's see here. Slightly unbagged, I guess. It also has my chain from the retail on it. It's a very substantial sized bag. I already have my Rowan unwrapped because I'm currently using it, the Mini Rowan. One thing that I like about Coach Outlet is the hardware is lighter, so the bags are not as bloody heavy. Also, something I noticed on the Outlet bags is they have this little piece of leather here, and that stops this piece right here from sliding all the way off and then over this metal piece, which is what happens all the time. So yeah, that'll be good. My cat's observing. With the chain right now, it's pretty heavy, but it's super cute, this chain. The leather's super soft. And this color's super cute. Matches my sweater. Look how big it is inside. Holy crap. That's pretty big. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. It's got like a dark brown interior. It's fabric. It's actually fabric. It's not that micro suede. I honestly don't like micro suede, honestly. This is nice. It's so pillowy. Oh my gosh. It's so pillowy. I love this. I wish they did quilted pillow tabbies like a long time ago, but they've made a quilted tabby now, so I'm like, oh, okay, they kind of did it, but it's not as poofy. Like this is so squishy and it poofs out. It's really nice. So it looks to be there is a back pocket on this one. Not super easy to open, these zippers with the like little thing on them. Little loopy loop, whatever. I don't know, it's kind of tricky to open. But you could fit a good amount of stuff in this pocket. Dang, this bag's roomy. Oh my gosh. So let's just size comparison. This is my current bag that I'm using. So yeah, big difference. You can carry it by top handle. The straps are removable. It's really cute as a top handle. Look at that. Yeah, this leather is super nice. There's no feet on the bottom, it's smooth leather on the bottom. And the rest of this is quilted Napa leather. And then there's smooth leather along the zipper here. And then the handles, obviously. And the little detail here. It's a beautiful bag. If they make more quilted Rowan bags, I recommend you get one. Big or small, but if you don't like the look of the bulky bag, then I would say go for small. So the key differences in this bag is this one is huge, but also it has feet. The other one doesn't have feet, so it protects the bottom, protects the smooth leather bottom from the leather wearing or the color coming off, that kind of thing. And then again, it's all the Napa leather, has the little detail Coach New York on there. And then smooth leather here, smooth leather handles. These handles are larger, obviously, because the bag's larger. It retails for $6.10 Canadian. This one. This one was $4.84, and this one is $6.10. Yeah, you get a lot more for this bag, but just depends if you like the big bag look. I'm kind of more drawn to big bags now. They just hold a lot more. So yeah, there's the little baby story patch inside. You can see right there. And then card holders right there. So you could put, there's 2 card slots. The opening's kind of small for the zipper, but it holds so much. I just pulled out so much. Here we go, back in. And there's still room. I could still fit more. There's still space. I definitely could squeeze something in at the end there. But I got it pretty packed. Zipper's really nice. Cute and small. And then you get this one on. Big and bulky. Handles don't stay up as well either. So the purple one looks bigger and bulky, and the little one looks cute. It's like the perfect size. I wish they did it in purple for the small one, but this one is so substantial, it fits so much. That's a lot of space. I can do a what fits in my bag for that one at another time, but honestly, you can just fit everything in this. You really don't need to know what you can fit. Yeah, you could see this one though. It fits a ton. It fits a lot, right, Suki? Yeah. Suki agrees. She's like, you could also fit cat treats in there. If you want your bag to smell like cat food. No, thank you. Not for me. But yeah, I love both of these. They both match my color palette, although this purple one way more. I recommend getting these chains from the retail. They really dress up your bags. Love them. Alright, well, that is it for this video of the Coach Rowan quilted bag. Alright, well that's it for my video. I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I will hopefully do a what fits in my bag for the Rowan coming soon and see what big things we can fit in it. See you in the next one, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because if you don't subscribe and help the channel grow, then I won't be able to afford more bags. I'm just kidding, but it would help me afford more bags, definitely. See you in the next video. Bye!